Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kada. So in this episode we have the OnePlus 60 with the latest upgraded software. So it has the latest OS and it is the Oxygen OS 10 and it has a pretty good new UI design. As you can see, the settings have been categorized and there are different groups, which makes it much more easier to understand and much more easier than the previous versions. So if we go into the systems and we can see which is the Android version. So it's running on the latest Android, that is Android 10 or Android Q. So it is much more smoother and it has all the features of the Android 10 as well. So as you can see, this is running on the Android 10, and let's see which all features are there in this latest upgrade. So first up, it's the new UI design, as I told, and secondly it has enhanced location permissions for privacy. So there is a lot of advanced location permissions, and with each application you can switch on or off the location permissions as well. So as you can see here, I have a lot of features, and also from the drop down sometimes it will give you that, for example, this one, Facebook is using location. I can click on that and I can switch off or on the location permissions for the app. Next on our list is the customization feature. So if you go into the settings, you can find out a customization menu, and inside that you can see a lot of different features are available. Like you can choose the icons, you can change the color of buttons, you can choose, like for example, you can say change the shape from teardrop or circle or oval or a lot of different things. And as you can see, this is being changed. So then let's see which is the next feature. So next we can see the customization of colors of buttons. You can choose any preset colors, or if you want you can give a custom color as well. You can give a custom color and you can see, as you can see, you can choose a different customized colors and it will come into the colors. So these are like the normal color bars, like increasing volume or decreasing the brightness. All these come in a different color. So or the button, radio buttons, etc. So that is also available. Also there is a ambient clock, which has a new ambient clock look, which is a minimized look, or this is default look, this is a different look, and three different looks which you have for the ambient display as well, with features such as music player or things, a lot of different things you have. You can see music players, music which is playing, or messages, notifications, and a lot of other stuff. So you can change the font, a lot of things are there. Next, let's see the gestures. What is new in gestures? So there is inward as an outward swipe gesture, which has come latest, and you can swipe from right or left to change the recent apps or go back to the old apps. So as you can see, if I swipe left I can go back, or swipe right, both will work. And at the same time there is a navigation bar at the bottom. So I'll show you. As you can see, there's a navigation bar at the bottom. I can turn it off or on, and once that is there you can use that navigation bar to move through the recent apps and also go to the next or the previous app as well. So these are the new features in the gestures. Now let's see which is the next feature, which is a new game space. So it's like the normal phones all the other phones have. So inside the game space you can see all the games which are there, and you can start any game if you want directly from this space. So and it will have a lot of other settings here, like answer call via speaker, etc., as that of the game mode itself. Next, it has the ambient display, and also it can have reply, that is quick reply, as of the Android 10. So as you can see, you can reply to these, so it will automatically suggest you replies, or you can open the links or email, a lot of things you can do with this. It works in almost all things, and it also has the dark mode, which is pretty cool, as you can see. And you can also like block SMSs using keywords as well, so that is as a spam and all you can do. That is a new feature. And yeah, so this is it. I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have liked, please give a like and also share with your friends and subscribe to Gadget for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.